Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and this is the story of my first encounter with the associative difference. It was 2006. A younger Mike Tarallo, working for a hot new open source BI company, was in a competitive situation between some fairly new data visualization company, a company named Qlik, and its data visualization software, QlikView. My sales rep said, "This is our last chance to win this deal. We made the final two. Qlik has already been in there, and word is they liked what they saw. So I need you to develop something that looks exactly like QlikView for our demo." Always open to taking the challenge, I went to work. About a week went by as I feverishly worked on creating this application day and night. I even downloaded a free copy of QlikView Personal Edition to see how it worked. In order to achieve what I needed, I had to custom build an application using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, even using multiple SQL queries against the back-end database, using many where conditions and passing many parameters. I put my development skills to the test. It was a daunting task. And so I was done. I was confident I captured the minimal elements needed to at least make it look and act similar to QlikView. It was demo day. I traveled to the customer site and sat in this big conference room with only a handful of people eager to see the demonstration that I built. So the sales guy gave his pitch, as they usually do, knowing quite well the people in the room really wanted to see the product in action. I then took the stage, feeling strong with my approach, demonstrating all the ins and outs, covering the requirements the best I could, while at the same time attempting to make the product function just like QlikView. During the demo, I got head nods and smiles. I was sure we met our objectives. And then the questions began. Now, for the sake of time during this story, I won't address the Q&A session verbatim, but rather, I'll list the questions they asked during the meeting. Can I see all my data, meaning data values that are related and unrelated to my selections? Is chart linking and filtering automatic? Can I search the entire dataset? At this point, I started to sense a pattern. Like these questions were more related to what QlikView can do and what they wanted to see if we could do too. I thought I captured all there was to make it work like QlikView, but I was wrong. The questions continued. A DBA raised his hand and asked, "How was the data model built?" After explaining, using traditional data model techniques, joins and queries, he continued, "Well, how many queries?" I replied, "Quite a few." The questions kept coming, and from all angles. Why do I need so many queries? Where's the green, white, and gray? What about double counting? Isn't query writing error-prone? Why can't I see associations? I attempted to deflect the questions, but my effort was fruitless. The company definitely was aware of some of the unique advantages that QlikView offered that I completely missed. We were no match. I flew home that evening and reflected on what I learned. Qlik had a game changer, a patented unique associative engine and capabilities, which later I learned was called the associative difference. So I hope you enjoyed my story. Now, that was back in 2006. Qlik certainly has evolved since then, especially with the introduction of our next generation data analytics platform, QlikSense. Today, our unique patented associative engine still uncovers hidden insights, but is also now combined with powerful AI capabilities that makes finding answers quicker and easier, and is also available in a SaaS deployment model, allowing you to scale your enterprise analytics to meet the ongoing demands of your business. To learn more about Qlik's associative difference, augmented intelligence capabilities, and SaaS offerings, or to experience it for yourself, visit qlik.com and check out the links where this video is posted for additional resources.